Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. I am super excited to announce some audiophile grade speakers. We are now authorized dealers for Sonus Faber. Stay tuned after the intro. We're going to be unboxing some Sonetto 2 bookshelf speakers coming up next. All right, guys, I'm so excited to get these in and proud to announce we are now authorized dealers for Sonus Faber. We are able to sell and distribute any of their architectural speakers, as well as the Lumina and the Sonetto series. So today we're going to be unboxing the Sonetto 2s. Go ahead and cut the tape off the box here. They are an Italian speaker manufacturer, and this is a high-end luxury audiophile loudspeaker brand. Super good stuff. So these particular speakers come double boxed. I'm just going to set it on the ground. Thick styrofoam padding on top. As you can see, this is a signature shape to the top of the Sonus Faber speakers. And these are monster bookshelf speakers. So I'm going to just set them up top here. Kind of do the grand reveal. Very nice packaging so far. These things are not going to get damaged on the way to your house. Let's get right into this little package here. So right inside, nice Sonetto booklet, and these are tied into an Italian form of poetry, the sonnet. So it's a musical type of whimsical poetry. That's kind of where the Sonetto gets the name. These are just kind of musical, classic loudspeakers from Sonus Faber. So nothing too special, just some manufacturing info there. A nice microfiber cloth to wipe off your speakers. That is nice. I'll definitely be hanging on to that. We'll set this aside. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. Look at these beautiful speakers. Man. This is the wood or walnut finish. They also come in a black gloss, a white gloss, and a wing, which is kind of like a darker walnut color. Man, these are just super good looking speakers. They sound phenomenal as well. But just the characteristics, if I'm going to gently tilt this forward, so you can kind of see this triangular shape. That is a personality trait amongst all Sonus Faber speakers. That's kind of their design. The top is Italian leather with the Sonus Faber embossment. But let's get in for a close-up here and take a look and break these speakers down into detail. Man, these just look absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys, taking a closer look. Again, these are the Sonetto 2 bookshelf speakers. It's the larger brother to the Sonetto 1s. It's just going to have a larger mid-bass woofer, which is capable of ensuring more wider downward frequency response and a greater emotional impact. Besides its dimensions, the Sonetto 2 still has the capability to disappear in the environment with an elegant sound and graceful style. This is, again, the walnut finish. It also comes in a wingay, black gloss, and a white gloss. More characteristics of this speaker. It's a two-way loudspeaker system with a vented box design. So at the very bottom there, you can see these little small ports. That's where the slotted vented box technology is. These have the high definition DAD drivers with the DKM dome diaphragm. It's a 29 millimeter tweeter design, and then the natural fiber pulp drivers. Those are 165 millimeters. Frequency response is 42 hertz up to 25 kilohertz. Sensitivity, you will need a little bit more juice to push these 4-ohm speakers. They are 87 decibel sensitivity, and dimensions in millimeters is 250 millimeters by 334 millimeters, and weight is 6.8 kilograms. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this special announcement bringing on Sonus Faber as an authorized dealer with Dreamedia. If you guys would like to purchase anything Sonus Faber or anything related to home theater or high-end audio, feel free to give us a call. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. Again, if you guys have not already subscribed to the channel, we're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. So if you enjoy the content, just drop us a subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you know when the next video drops. This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.